Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to compress a video file without losing quality. Whether you need to save space on your hard drive or reduce the file's size for easy sharing, compressing your videos can be a lifesaver. Let's get started. Method 1. Use video compression software. The first method for compressing a video file without losing quality is to use video compression software. There are many software options available, both paid and free, that allows you to compress your videos without sacrificing quality. Some popular options include Handbrake, Adobe Premiere Pro, and Final Cut Pro. These programs use advanced algorithms to reduce the file size while maintaining the quality of the video. Method 2. Reduce the video resolution. Another way to compress a video file without losing quality is to reduce the video resolution. This can be done in a video editing program or in the settings of your video player. Simply choose a lower resolution that still looks good on your display and export the video at the new resolution. This can significantly reduce the file size while still maintaining a high level of video quality. Method 3. Use online compression tools. If you don't have access to video compression software or a video editing program, you can also use online compression tools. These tools allow you to upload your video and then automatically compress it without sacrificing quality. Some popular online compression tools include Cloud Convert and Vid.io. And that's it. These are the 3 easy methods for compressing a video file without losing quality. Whether you need to save space on your hard drive or reduce the file size for easy sharing, these methods can help you achieve your goal. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.